The root of the problem. Hi, Judd here. Came out wanting to do some more weeding and got carried away, strained myself. That's why I shouldn't do this stuff, because you get into it and then you just keep going and going and going, and just more than you can take sometimes. Anyways, I got this dug out, and now you can see the Epcot plant. And Lucinda, that thing is a mess. Look at that. That is all over hell. I mean, that's like snakes running across my yard. That is awesome, but it's going to invade my house. This is an invasion of the green subtle snatchers or something. And all the roots on that, you see all those little hairs coming off it? Those are all roots or potential roots. And they were all tangled up with all the other roots. So digging all the crap out around them was real tough. But I pulled out everything around there. Oh, yeah, this was the good thing. I found 2 pencil cactus. There's one there, which at the time was far away from anything. You can see where the Epcot plant originally was. It's dead center there. All these beams are taken off because they're pissed off because I didn't give it a trellis to build. And then I found another pencil cactus, a real good looking one under here. It's been doing real good. Hey, that's nice. And anyway, I got I got back in here and got quite a pile. I still got to sort all that. I got a little bit under there, but look at this thing, man. I got to do something with this. Can I cut off pieces of that or what? I mean, my God, that looks like, what, that looks like a pot of spaghetti or something. Wow. Okay. Well, help. Judd to Lucinda. Help, help, help. Why'd you go get that damn job? Get over here and fix your garden. What's going on? Anyways, there we go. At least now you can see the plants. I've still obviously got a lot of fine work to do in there, but I got out all the gross, huge overgrowing stuff that was hiding everything. So now you can at least see what's supposed to be there. Okay, happy day to you.